When you're buying Starla, you also can mix and match the costume. I'll show you how you can do it. Click Setting and choose this. Click Expression Editor. Create new expression. Play with the slider and mix and match Starla whatever you want. Then name the expression and click Save. Now scroll down and click plus button. Now click Hotkey Action. Then choose Set, Unset Expression. Now click Expression and choose expression you make before. Now click Rec to set your toggle button. In here I choose F2. To change expression, click the button you set before. Now you finally can make your own Starla. But you see the transition is so weird. To fix it, back to before and adjust the fade to 0.1. Thank you.